Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah. I'm a tarot reader, that is the card reader, numerologist. I do perform certain seminars and workshops. I also provide certain courses which is online and also on WhatsApp. I do take private consultations in regards to numerology and tarot reading. I would have shared the information for the links and the options that are available. So if you want to connect to me, you can surely work that out. And I do love when people share their love for the work that I'm doing. So it just helps me all the more encouraged to be encouraged, and at the same time it helps me feel energized. That is, it makes me want to do more. So it would be lovely if you could share your love in different forms, or what you can do is subscribe to the channel, like it, share it, maybe give me a wonderful comment which would be a real thing that you want to share, you feel like, and sometimes we hold back and we don't want to say it. So I would really appreciate if you could say it. And also, I do accept donations, I do accept gifts, but then I would just update my wish list for cards. So in case you would be feeling generous towards certain things that I'm doing right now, or the work that I give out, and you also feel like, wow, I just want to give this, I would love to receive it. I'm open to and receptive to wonderful, heartfelt, loving gifts. So today's card is Lenormand card, Anchor, the card number 35. Right now we are doing basics of it. And Anchor itself, when you see the picture, there is a picture of anchor. It shows stability. It indicates something hooked, something which is sometimes, in some cases, stuck. In my opinion, it can also be considered a work card as well. That is in my opinion. This is something which is kind of long term. Whatever, say for example, if the job card is beside anchor, it just is telling you it would be a long term card, or it would be a long term, your mindset about that job would be long term. So that is anchor. Stability, as I said. I have also noticed this card is usually a positive card, but surrounding cards can make all the difference. So if it is surrounded by something negative, it can, I'm really sorry to say, but it can mean something wherein a person is hooked up for a long time. So you need to work your way out. Maybe you need to find out the ways where, if in case you can read out if there is any solution to it, or which solution would work better if there is a negative card. So the question you asked is also very important. I'm considering what else to tell you, give out to you, so that it stays simple and doesn't complicate it so much, and you would have fun doing that and makes it easier for you too. Okay, in some cases, there are certain school of thoughts wherein anchor indicates hope, but for me, star also indicates hope. Anchor can also denote hope, so you can put it in your journal. This is one of the options that if you want to add it. And it's also known, when we have discussed this information, when anchor is around, when you are talking about some person and you are connecting to some people, it can be job, it can be relationship. Usually if anchor is around the love relationship thing, it is a very, very good card. It is a very good combination. Of course, surrounding cards and other cards, because right now we are just talking about one or two pairing of one or two cards. So in the matters of love, what I want to say is, in the matters of love, in the matters of relationship, something, it means stable. It means a person is a keeper. Now, I was just about to now it also, because I told you the surrounding cards matters, so on the basis of only two cards, you cannot say that this person is a keeper. But most often, if it is surrounded by good cards, we have to be very careful about predicting that. It usually means a very good partner, a stable partner, or stable love. So it's a long-term thing. And I have also seen in readings when people have feelings for long run, but they marry somebody else. So I would be very careful about predicting that this person is going to be in your life. So this is just one example that you may want to keep in mind. I'm not sure why did I get so drawn to about it to tell you. And anchor can literally mean anchor. Sometimes I have seen anchor being a keychain, just like an anchor keychain, but it's not usually the keychain thing. But this was something which had occurred, so you may want to use your own examples, not only for anchor but other cards as well. So I hope this helps you, and I'm sure and I'm hoping that you'll share your love in different ways, and see you soon in the next and final card. We are completing it for now. Bye.